Welcome to Sliver and Bite TV. Today we're making lemon curd. Start by adding the butter to your saucepan. Your caster sugar. Optional lemon rind. And for this recipe, we're going to use 3 egg yolks and 1 full egg. Depending on what you're using your lemon curd for, you can just put 4 egg yolks in. The egg white assists in making it a little thicker. And now the lemon juice. I've just started the heat on extremely low. We just want to slowly bring this pot to temperature, and I just added in a little salt to enhance the flavour. And now we mix. You are going to want to take regular breaks because you will need to mix quite a bit for this recipe. You will either have little short breaks or you will remove the pot from the heat because otherwise the egg will solidify. And we don't want scrambled eggs, we want lemon curd. Because I'm using the induction cooktop, I have this set to 60 degrees Celsius. So it's bringing the eggs and the butter very gradually to heat. We just want to melt the butter and then we can slightly increase the heat to start reducing some of the moisture. You can see a bit of steam coming out of the pot now. You can see I've just lifted the pot off of the induction to take it off the heat as it was bubbling too much. You'll start to see a few little white specks in there. That is the egg white solidifying, but that's okay. Once you continue stirring, it will disappear into the mixture. Make sure every now and then you're wiping down the sides because you want to make sure that you're incorporating all of the ingredients. You don't want anything left on the side and not mixed in. And you can start to see that this is starting to thicken now. When I'm mixing, you can see the bottom of the pot. I did warn you, there was a lot of mixing. Also, a very good reason for wiping down the sides is getting into the corner of the base and the wall of the pot, because you don't want anything sticking to the sides there and not being incorporated into the mixture. You may be asking, why wouldn't I use a hand mixer for this? Well, I've tried it and it doesn't work because it doesn't get into the corners as much as you would want it to. So it ended up being a failure. The good old-fashioned elbow grease is what you need for this recipe. I'm happy with that consistency, so I've turned the heat off and getting ready to pour that into a heat-proof bowl. I will continue to mix it just to expedite the cooling process. One last wipe down. And transfer into a heat-proof bowl. You are going to want to let this cool completely before placing into the refrigerator. Just look at that. It's so rich in its colour. Lemon curd is so versatile. You can use it as a topping, as a filling, in a recipe, or just on the end of a spoon. Oh yes. Thank you for joining me. See you soon.